Okay, Doug here. I like where I live. I live in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I live in a place called Woodland Acres, and I've got a lot of trees, and we get a lot of that kind of stuff. And there is an application out there you can get on your iPhone and probably your Android devices by, I think it's by MIT. It's Cornell, and it's Merlin, Merlin. It's a bird app, and you turn it on, it records what you're hearing, that those noises, and I hope you're hearing them on the videos as well as I am. I doubt you are. I'm not wearing my good microphone, and if I had a good microphone out here, this is loud. The cacophony. I can't speak today. This music that I'm hearing this morning is this symphony is just it's delightful. And unfortunately, we got a little road noise, even though we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. The road noise carries, so we've got a little road noise, but otherwise, it's just this delightful bird song. And I want to play for you the app so you can see all the birds it captures. Watch to the end, and I think you'll be stunned. Wanted you to hear this, dude. You hear the woodpecker? I think he's resting. Have a good day.